Minuteverse unveils a peculiar cosmic tune as pulsars hiccup in mid-spin, producing glitches that ripple through their lighthouse beams. These millisecond tremors reveal the neutron star's superdense heart and hint at superfluid interiors that challenge ordinary matter. Astronomers track glitches for years, mapping sudden changes in spin to unravel tangled crusts and unseen vortices in quantum fluids under gravity. The most dramatic glitches momentarily reset a pulsar's clock, tweaking its radio heartbeat and teaching scientists how exotic matter behaves. Stay curious as Minuteverse follows these stellar hiccups, inviting viewers to witness how tiny tremors reshape our cosmic understanding.